That's my view. And it's beautiful. This is what I love. Right here, right here, right here. That's it. Awesome, awesome. Hopewell Furnace. This is great. My kind of town.